Hey, Kathleen here. I am showing you this 40 by 30 mirror and how it fits above my 48-inch vanity. I have the exact same setup in my kid bath because I loved it so much. Love this champagne color for my mixed metal bathroom. Love the quality. It is metal. It's not too thin. And honestly, when I went around looking for any imperfections, seams, weak points, the only thing is I found the seam. That's the seam. So it's absolutely amazing because it's almost hidden. And in a lot of other mirrors, I find welding marks and all kinds of stuff. So this is absolutely perfect for us. There's no distortion in the mirror, which is great. And I really wanted a depth that, was aesthetically pleasing to me. I didn't want anything over an inch. I bought a few different mirrors with different depths of how the mirror was inset, and this one was perfect for me. The other thing I was concerned about was hanging this. I mentioned to my contractor that I had read some reviews and comments on other products, and mirrors were falling and all kinds of stuff. So I was a little nervous about that, but he said it absolutely went up perfectly fine, wasn't hard at all, and it's super stable. So I'm really, really thrilled with this for our family.